Welcome back over here to the rooster garden. Still kind of sprinkling out here. Late in the afternoon, getting late. But today was a good day. My two doe rabbits I bred 30 days ago, both had litters. One this morning, one just a while ago. The exact number of each one of them, the kits, I don't know yet. All I know, they had them, I still was squirming in there. But Bernie was a day late. Sandy was right on time, 30 days. So, but like I said, today ended up being a good day despite the rain and the wet ground out here. It's gonna be all right. So talk about sustainability, what we're all about, growing, you know, producing our own food stuff. So I still got two rabbits from the time before. I still had to put in a camp, but I may use them to do something else with. Ain't quite made my mind up yet, but so far it's gonna be all right. So I'll take you over here and show you the does. Like I said, I'm not going to show you the kits yet. I'm going to wait till tomorrow, see how many I got, give them time to get adjusted, make sure they all survived in there. I think they'll be okay till in the morning sometime. So you let the moms get used to them and all that stuff. But let's walk right around here and I'll kind of show you who had who. All right, just one second. What I got tickled about earlier, Sandy, the youngest doe, she was talking to the buck through the cage. I mean, she was giving him what for some reason or another. I mean, she was doing some talking to that young man. But I see Brownie's in there in her cage. Sandy's eating. Let me turn this thing around so I can get y'all a view in there. And that's the daddy right there. That's my registered cinnamon buck. Brownie's in there doing something. You can see her in there. Take care of them babies. This is her second litter. She's a really good mom. So the first time she let me touch her babies, handling them and all that stuff. Never once tried to bite me or anything. Now this is Sandy, the youngest doe. She's actually Brownie's first litter. You see them two right there. I mean, they were doing some talking through that water a while ago. She's still trying to talk to him. Can y'all hear that? But she got her babies all covered up right up there. So, yep. She had hers this morning. Brandy just had hers a while ago. So, but despite all the rain and the wet weather I'm having around here, today was a good day. So I just want to let you know what's going on around here, give you an update on my rabbits. It's been a while since I've done any videos on my rabbits. Everything's growing. My Muscovies down here, they are really getting big. I mean, some of them is like getting huge ducks. Some of them still on the smaller side. But I've got about 4 of these things, people. Hey, I ain't never seen a duck this big. Not in captivity anyways. But they just kick back, enjoying this wet weather. So, but like I said, I just want to give you an update on the rabbits. What's going on around here as far as sustainability on that end of it. I'll try to get a video done tomorrow and let you know exactly how many of babies each doe, how many kits each doe had today. But I was surprised that they both had them the same day. I thought Bernie would have hers yesterday. She didn't. She had them this afternoon. And Sandy's due today and she had hers this morning. So you just can't never tell on Mother Nature when they're going to do things. So, but anyways, I'll get off of here and let y'all get back doing what you're doing, watching other people's videos, and come on back and visit, and I'll give you an update on how many kits we got. And y'all take care, have fun gardening, and have a super day if you can. Bye.